It is said that smile is such a curved line which makes everything straight. And I really believe that humor is having a very good effect on our brain. So, I am going to explain you the neuroscience of humor. When we laugh, then our whole body gets a surge of energy and our blood pressures become low, then our whole stress level goes down, and in our brain serotonin neurotransmitter is released. So this gives a feeling of happiness. This suddenly switches our brain from negative mode to positive mode. So what happens when actually we laugh at some silly things or something happens and we just burst out? So the thing is that humor is an intelligence. So when you actually intervene the situation with the humor, your perspective changes immediately, and you feel that there is nothing to worry or nothing so serious about this, and life will move on because there are some whirlpools of anger, whirlpools of disappointments, sadness, and to come out of that whirlpool or to avoid pitfalls, we must be very light in mind. And what can be lighter than the smile and the laugh? Laughing makes our mind very light, happy, and very enthusiastic. Because when we laugh, our body muscles get so much of energy. It is like doing exercise. And when we do exercise, there is a boost of energy, there is a boost of endorphins. So, my dear friends, to laugh is really a blessing. And to laugh at silly things is the most nice thing. I really feel that everyone must preserve the spark of madness in their eyes, because it is this madness that takes us to the higher level. Because I think logic is having some limited zone, but madness is not having any limit. So if you want to cross the limits, you want to go beyond, you must not get trapped with the mind's different kind of traps. There's anger trap, or guilt trap, or emotional traps. So for that, humor is the best solution. So try to cultivate this habit of enjoying the moment, creating the happiness in the moment, and at least read some anecdotes or some comedy novels or comedy serials, so that it will give you a boost of happiness. And but what I really feel is that if you will find some sort of a silliness or the laughter in the everyday scenario, you will be so blessed, because then it will become a habit, and this habit will be so good for our health, because laughter is the best medicine. So to take that medicine, we just have to keep our mind open and our eyes and our ear open. Every moment there is something to laugh at, and even if there is nothing to laugh at, we can imagine something and which will make us laugh. Now there are so many meditations invented by neuroscientists that, like laughing feet, means you should meditate on your feet and imagine as if there is a tingling in your feet and your feet are laughing, and the tingle is going up and up till your head. So this laughing meditation, then laughter club, then comedy things, these are all in different shades and categories of the laughter. And I always believe that the person who laughs at himself or herself is the best person, because then the ego is detoxified, and then you are having a very clear mind, and there is a mental clarity about your perspective. So my dear friends, try to laugh and try to see the chances where you can get a chance to laugh and be very happy every moment. So laughter is the best medicine.